Hello, this is Amin from Onyx, your trusted experts for all things printers. Today we have a special head-to-head comparison of two popular models, the HP LaserJet Pro MFP-4101FDW and the brother MFC-L5900DW. We'll put them through their paces in a series of rigorous tests to see which one comes out on top. We'll be conducting 5 comprehensive tests to evaluate their performance. A pages per minute test, a color darkness and font test, overview of the printer's features, a scan test, and a wired printing speed test. Then we will be giving the printers an Onyx score.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Let's start things off with the pages per minute test. We'll have both printers push out as many pages as they can in 1 minute. Impressive, the 4101 managed to print 41 pages and the L5900DW printed 43 pages in just 1 minute. This makes the L5900 faster among its competitors. So in this test, the L5900 printer has done better. Next up is the color darkness and font test. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors on both printers to assess their true performance. As you can see, the 4101's color darkness is excellent and it handles different font sizes great. On the other hand, the L5900's color darkness is good and it handles different font sizes well. In this test, the 4101 printer has performed better. Now let's test the scanning capabilities of these printers. We'll scan a document with various text sizes and colors to assess their performance. As you can see, the 4101 scan quality is excellent. It handles different font sizes with ease. On the other hand, the L5900 scan quality is also great. It handles different font sizes fairly well. In this test, both printers were very close, so no winner will be given. Next, we'll conduct a wired printing speed test. We'll connect both printers to a computer via a wired connection and measure how long it takes to print a page. Impressive, the 4101 managed to print the page in about 5 seconds, and the L5900 printed the page in about 8 seconds. This makes the 4101 printer faster in this scenario. So in this test, the 4101 printer has done better. Now let's delve into the features of these printers. The HP LaserJet Pro MFP-4101FDW is a versatile machine that supports print, scan, copy, and fax functions. It prints at a speed of 41 pages per minute. It comes with a 100-sheet multi-purpose tray and a 250-sheet tray with the ability to add an optional 550-sheet accessory tray. It uses 148A or 148X cartridges. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix operating system. It also supports mobile printing and has standard USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi direct connectivity. It comes with a 2.7-inch color touchscreen. It's Energy Star qualified for energy efficiency, and it includes a 3-year limited warranty. The printer is priced at around $350, but prices may vary from time to time. The brother MFC-L5900DW supports print, copy, fax, email, and scan functions. It comes with a 3.7-inch color touchscreen and boasts print speeds of up to 43 pages per minute, with a maximum input capacity of up to 250 sheet. It also has an optional 520 sheet paper tray. The L5900DW uses a TN820 or TN850 cartridge and takes a DR820 drum. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix operating system. It also supports mobile printing and has standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. It's Energy Star qualified for energy efficiency and includes a 3-year limited warranty. This printer is also priced at around $350, but prices may vary from time to time. Finally, let's give these printers an Onyx score. In conclusion, both printers are similar, but in terms of user-friendliness and software, the 4101FDW seems to have the edge. However, the brother MFC-L5900 has a slightly faster printing speed, so even though the 4101FDW has scored higher, the printers are so close in features and performance that you can't go wrong either way. It ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Please check the current prices for the most accurate information. We hope this comparison has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to check out our other reviews for more insights into the world of printers. This is Amin from Onyx signing off. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.